Pure Aqua has chosen the Fleck 5812 control valve for its extreme reliability and cost effectiveness. It has many features such as a fiber reinforced polymer valve body for superior strength and durability, has a continuous service fluid of up to 43 gallons a minute, and a backwash rate of 33, which translates into a maximum size of a 24-inch diameter tank. This valve can be programmed for a 3 or 5 cycle control regeneration cycle. Plumbing options or connections include a 3/4 inch, 1 inch, or 1.25 inch MPT, BSP, sweat, and CPVC. The valve can be equipped with 2 different types of controllers. The first is the XTR2, which is a touchscreen LCD display controller, or the SXT, which is an LCD display with buttons for programming. The valve can operate at a pressure range of 20 to 125 psi. The mounting base comes in 2 different sizes of either 2.5 inch or 4 inch. The distributor pilot comes in 4 different sizes, and the most common one Pure Aqua uses is the 32 millimeter. The valve out of the box comes equipped as shown. We have our valve body cover, our LCD controller with its buttons on the front side, and on the rear side we have our 3 connection points: the inlet, the outlet, and the drain line connection. The power inlet connection is shown here on the bottom, which we'll show with a detailed view later. This wraps up our Learning Center video, and we thank you for watching.